Alright y'all, I got this piece of sassafras, split it in half, and I'm gonna turn it into a bass. At least that's the plan, a sassafras bass. Anyway, that's the plan. Hopefully I get him nice and wide and thick, cut it out just right, and he doesn't end up looking like a crack bass. But anyway, let's see what happens. Alright, so I got it drawn out from the top where mouth's gonna be. Put the fins in so I didn't end up cutting them off too short or anything like that. Drew them in there, and then here's the bass balls. You gotta have the bass balls there, so it's all ready to go. Just the idea, chop it out, make form. Let's see what happens. Okay, when the video stopped, I had the basic shape cut out of the front, and so I went ahead and worked the back, and just didn't waste time recording that, so nobody'd want to see it anyway. And so I got some stuff to clean up, shaping, and start putting some fins in. And then there's not much more chainsaw work to go with this thing, actually. So when I get done with it, I'll show you why. flat disc and put all the shape in the fist, clean him up real good, and I'll show you what we're... All right, so I got this dude sanded down and got some detail drawn on him, and we're gonna go to it, start putting it in with the flat disc, and I'm using a 4.5 inch angle grinder, a 36 grit flat disc, and it's about half wore out, but that's good for what I'm doing. So, all right, lots of detail go in. right, so I got him done, clear coated. It's ready to go. Just burning to bring out the middle lateral line thing that bass have. Put a bunch of scales in it. Looks pretty good. Usually something like that I'll sell for like $100. I mean, I've got 150 out of them before. Maybe I was being greedy. Maybe I was being cheap. I don't know. I ain't that worried about it. I don't have people have stuff that thinks neat, and that's all. That's really all I'm after. I love doing this. It's a good out for me. Come back when you can stay later, you schmuck.